going to learn how to take any card, in this case a Marks & Spencer's loyalty card. I've got no idea why I have this, but we're able to take it, you know, give it a little flourish, and be able to spin the card on the fingertips like this. Make sure to watch until the end, as you can use a bank card, a playing card, or whatever you've got to do this little flourish. I know you enjoyed the short format of the last video, so this one will only be a few minutes long. Pause the video, grab whatever you've got in the house, and come back and we'll learn how to do this. Okay, so to begin this, we're going to hold the card between the thumb and the middle finger. And what I want you to get used to doing is balancing the card on the middle finger alone. As you can see, it's the centre of the card that it's holding. The thumb's obviously resting on top before you start the move, and the index finger is going to pull back and sort of line up with the middle finger. So if you've done this correctly, you'll be here, as this is where we'll start our spinning motion from. To execute the move correctly, you're going to get your middle finger to pull back while your index finger is going to push out. So underneath, like this, and we do that a few times just to get the feeling for it. Then what I like to do is to move my wrist at this angle, and as we push back, we extend, and the card should hopefully fly around. If you got that on your first try, then well done, because I certainly didn't when I was first practicing it. Because it really is an knacky thing sometimes, and it does require a light touch. I'll quickly grab a playing card for anyone that's practicing with that. Here we are. And this is of course what it looks like with a playing card. If you're still struggling, don't worry, because there might be a few things that are stopping the card from spinning. One thing that I found that made it easier was to pass the card off from the left hand to the right, and as soon as you pass it over, you need to go straight into the spin. So like this. Also, it's a good idea to wash your hands now and again when you're trying to practice this, or else your hands are going to get way too sticky to be able to spin the card. Alright, back onto the other card again for a second. Here we are. So you might not be able to catch the card after it's done a 360-degree rotation at first. You'd as well just to drop the card now and again if you can't catch it, as it's not really a big deal. If you want to learn how to do this, make sure to leave a comment below, as I will consider making a tutorial on it. One last tip that's really important, so please don't leave the video until you see this, and that is to move the middle finger out before you start the spin. A lot of people will be trying to do it close, and they'll be having a very hard time. So you'd as well to do yourself a favour and move that middle finger out before you start doing the spin. Thanks for watching today's video. Make sure to check out last week's one on the David Boyne review as a magician, as it was really good fun to make it. Again, remember, if you enjoy this content, make sure to leave a comment, anything magic related, and I'll be happy to answer as many as possible. My name's Ross Donald, and yes, I'll say it, I'll see you guys on the next one.